Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily make your phone never turn off. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to make your phone never turn off very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, open your settings and scroll down and tap on the option called display and brightness, and scroll down and tap on the option called auto lock. And here on the auto lock I have said 1 minute. That means my phone will turn off automatically after 1 minute. But if you select never, then you'll be able to make your phone never turn off. So this is how you can make your phone never turn off. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even one person, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.